One popular belief about yourself that is untrue.
कि मैं
If you were a jadugar in real life, what is that one thing you would change about the entertainment industry? What's the silliest thing you've ever done to impress a girl you like? If Magic Minu meets Sahir Amir Khan from Dhoom 3, what do you think the two will discuss?
ask permission.
Your current celebrity crush from Bollywood.
कुछ टाइम में मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि जैसा है बहुत सही है, उसी से ही बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती हैं हमें.
Here we come to Jitendra Kumar now. What do you prefer, being called Jitu or Jitendra?
जीतू.
One popular belief about yourself that is untrue.
कि मैं भैया हूँ सबका.
If you were a jadugar in real life, what is that one thing you would change about the entertainment industry?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं बट एक्चुअली नथिंग. कुछ टाइम में मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि जैसा है बहुत सही है, उसी से ही बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती हैं हमें. तो कुछ ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो मैं चेंज करना चाहूँ.
How would you rate yourself as a footballer on the scale from 1 to 10?
0 का ऑप्शन.
Your all-time favorite footballer?
कुछ आइडिया नहीं है बट रोनाल्डो.
What's the silliest thing you've ever done to impress a girl you like?
I waited for her in the rains for 8 hours.
Okay. If magic if Magic Minu meets Sahir Amir Khan from Dhoom 3, what do you think the two will discuss?
ये ट्रिक कैसे की? We'll discuss tricks.
Okay. If Javed Jafri is your full-time mentor for 3 months, which of the following skills would you learn from him first? Dancing, mimicry, or comedy?
Dancing.
Dancing. Okay. Either or. Text first or wait for the other person to text?
Wait for other person to text.
Ask permission or beg forgiveness?
Ask permission.
Your favorite show as a teenager among Boogie Woogie or Takeshi's Castle?
Takeshi.
Season 2 is coming up, I believe.
और पता है मुझे तो अप्रोच नहीं किया. I hope so.
Your current celebrity crush from Bollywood?
Samantha. बॉलीवुड से नहीं है बट समंथा.
Samantha. Okay. Samantha.
Samantha.